Besides, there are a couple of features of computer control systems, AMC 500 and AMC PC, as follows. Number 1, AMC 500. This system is with liquid crystal display, LCD, and 14 setting functions. In addition to the general control system functions, this model is with some additional functions as follows. Auto barrel washing, injection barrel preheating, middle platen to prolong the life of the mold, single or double core pull device, temperature constant maintain nozzle, extra material auto injected, 5 optional air ejection to coordinate with core and cavity of the mold, help assistant display, detailed alarm indicators and checkup display to ease the maintenance. Number 2, AMC PC, the latest large-screen LCD push-button control system providing the upgraded and function expanded software. Chinese English optional display function, and with 45 memory, which can also be expanded according to the demands. Records of the variety of temperature during the production process and the execution of alarm happening. Connected to the central computer for the control center to supervise the operation situation, and also can be connected to a printer. All this mentioned above prolongs the life of Nanrong's plastic injection molding machine. Prospectively, Nanrong has made a great effort to upgrade quality and high precision of plastic injection molding machine to match with the demands of the market. And thus, we are proud to have created an advantage in the marketplace to actualize Nanrong's ideal for a worldwide injection molding machine field and strive forward to the beautiful future.